Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, the home of some of the most useful Excel tools out there. This week, we got something truly special for you, a tool that makes calculating your total IFTA miles easier than ever before. Now, this tool is especially handy for truck drivers and logistics companies who need to calculate state miles for IFTA reporting. Whether you're managing a list of 100 trips or 1,000 trips, this tool can handle it all and simplify your IFTA filing process. And just as a quick reminder, IFTA filing deadlines are almost here, so now's the perfect time to get everything in order. Every quarter, many of you need to report your IFTA mileage for compliance. While electronic logging devices and trucks help with this, some of you might not have that set up. That's where our IFTA distance calculator comes in. This tool's designed to help you calculate the total miles driven, broken down by state, so you can file your IFTA reports quickly and accurately. Now, before we dive into how this works, here's a quick disclaimer. Like all of our tools, this one is built entirely in Excel. That means there's nothing to install. All you need is the desktop version of Excel, and you're good to go. The tool also uses the Google Maps API to calculate distances, so you'll need a Google Maps API key. But don't worry, we got a separate video that walks you through how to set it up. It's free, takes just 5 minutes, and you'll be ready to start using the tool. Here's how it works. Once you've downloaded the tool, there's a link in the description below. You'll enter your trips for the quarter. You can use zip codes, cities, or full addresses. For the most accurate results, we recommend using full addresses. But the tool's flexible enough to work with just a zip code or city if needed. Once your trips are entered, simply click the Calculate button. The tool will calculate the driving distance, driving time, and even break down the miles driven by state. For example, let's take this trip from California to Washington, D.C. The tool shows us the total distance and how those miles are distributed across the states. For your IFTA filing, you can use the Summary feature by clicking on the Summary button to get a detailed report of the miles driven in each state for the quarter. It's really that simple. Don't just take our word for it. Check out the reviews. We've received over 120 glowing reviews on Google from satisfied users who rely on our tools to streamline their work. From truck drivers to logistics managers, people consistently tell us how much easier our tools have made their lives. We're incredibly proud of the feedback and are committed to continuing to provide tools that make a real difference. Take a moment to check out what others are saying. You'll see why so many trust us to simplify their IFTA filings and much more. And here's the best part. We're here to help. If you have any questions or need assistance, give us a call or send us an email. We actually answer the phone and would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. If this tool sounds like what you need, check out the link in the description to get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tools and tips to simplify your work. Don't wait too long though. IFTA deadlines are just around the corner. Until next time.